welcome to Kids Craft Corner. Today we'll be testing 3 ways to make slime to see which one works and which one does not. Before I start the video, make sure to click the subscribe button down below. The first slime I'll be making is glitter glue slime. For this you will need glitter glue, contact eye solution, a bowl, and a mixing utensil. Let's see if this works. First, start off by adding all your glitter glue into a bowl. Then add a little bit of contact eye solution. And stir it up. Add little by little of contact solution. Keep on adding contact solution till your glitter glue starts mixing well. My glitter glue slime is very sticky. We're going to add some more contact eye solution. Make sure to mix it well. This slime is a fail slime. Let's move on to the next one. Our first slime was a fail. This is the ingredients for our second slime. For this we'll be using white Elmer's glue, shaving foam, contact eye solution, clay the color of your choice. The colors I chose was white, dark blue, and light blue. A bowl and a utensil. First, start off by adding shaving cream into your bowl. And add some white glue. Mix the two ingredients together. Add more glue if desired. Mix them thoroughly. Once your two ingredients are properly mixed, add a little bit of contact solution. Add little by little of contact solution. Mix your ingredients thoroughly so everything gets mixed properly. Hey guys, this slime was also a fail, so I guess this video was a fail. Next time we'll try to make slime with other ingredients and try different slimes. Make sure to subscribe down below. Bye!